Hello everyone, welcome to GK classes. In this video, we are going to see the most important current affairs questions from 20 May 2020. Recently, a founder of Alibaba Group resigned from SoftBank Group's board of directors. Choose the option that fits this description. A. Jack Ma, B. Daniel Zhang, C. Lee Byung-chul, D. Wang Jialin. You can pause the video and think about the answer. The answer is A. Jack Ma. Jack Ma is a co-founder of Alibaba Group and is resigning from SoftBank Group's board of directors. Daniel Zhang is also related to Alibaba Group, but he is the CEO of the group. Lee Byung-chul is the founder of Samsung. Wang Jialin is another Chinese businessman, but he is not connected to Alibaba Group. Jack Ma or Ma Yun is a Chinese businessman, co-founder of Alibaba. He's China's richest man. He's stepping down. SoftBank has had a lot of losses this year, so most of the influential names in the group of directors are stepping down. Question 2. Recently, the excavation at Kiladi was resumed. Where is this archaeological site located? Option A, Andhra Pradesh, B, Telangana, C, Kerala, D, Tamil Nadu. The answer is D, Tamil. The sixth phase of archaeological excavation at Kiladi resumed on May 20. Kiladi is a tiny hamlet located 12 km southeast of the historic city of Madurai in Tamil Nadu. It has been described by Tamil poets as belonging to Sangam period. Recent findings have led academics to describe this site as part of Vegai Valley civilization. This expedition started all the way in 2015. The sixth phase is going on this year. Who among the following is the current Director General of WHO? Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, Margaret Chan, Soumya Swaminathan, none of these. The correct answer is Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. The World Health Organization's Director General, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, has been in the news recently in connection with the response to COVID-19 pandemic. The role of WHO in handling the pandemic has been called into question by many countries, including USA and UK. So there have been claims of cover up and helping China. Amidst the global crisis of COVID-19, a motion to establish an independent review of the coronavirus handling has been passed in the World Health Assembly. Now, World Health Assembly is the decision-making body for World Health Organization. Annual meetings are held for this body every year in Geneva. This year, the meeting was held virtually due to the pandemic. German footwear brand Volvex has decided to move all its factory operations from China to which of the following cities in India? Lucknow, Agra, Ahmedabad, Morbi. The answer is Agra. Vonvex, a German shoe manufacturer brand, has decided to move all its factory operations from China to Agra in Uttar Pradesh. The corona pandemic has sufficiently sabotaged global trade. This is a time of uncertainty, so many companies are moving their manufacturing units out of China. The UP government has proactively approached many of these companies. Other states are also trying to capture these companies, but the efforts of UP government have resulted in ongoing talks with many Korean and American companies over shifting manufacturing units to the state. Earlier this month, around 8 May, the Adityanath government brought an ordinance. This ordinance suspended 35 labor laws in the state. So all this reformation is to give boost to the manufacturing sector in the state. Next question. The report titled COVID-19 Risks Outlook, a preliminary mapping and its implications, has been published by which of the following institutions? WHO, WEF, UNICEF, CDC. The answer is WEF. World Economic Forum, that is WEF, has released the report titled COVID-19 Risks Outlook, a preliminary mapping and its implications. This report identifies the headline risks, challenges, and encouragingly the opportunities that the world is facing as a result of COVID-19 pandemic. The aim is of raising awareness, fostering widespread debate, and enabling better decision making. The report was published on May 19, 2020. It is available on WEF website. It talks about the economic slowdown that is expected to come by, the effects on people in the cost of people being pushed into poverty and so on. You can download and read the report if you want. Next, Nathula Pass is located in which of the following states? Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, none of these. The answer is Sikkim. A lot of tension is going on the LAC recently. LAC is Line of Actual Control, the border between India and China. The border between India and Pakistan is called LOC, Line of Control. So Nathula is located on LAC. It is a mountain pass in the Himalayas in East Sikkim district. Now this tension on LAC makes Nathula very important. Nathula connects Indian state of Sikkim with Tibet Autonomous Region in China. Other important passes in this region are Jelepla. Jelepla is situated around 4 kilometers away from Nathula, and Chola. So these two passes saw conflict between Indian and Chinese troops in 1967. Thank you very much for joining us. I hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe for more content. All the best for your studies. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. We'll answer them.